You need to get better clothes on. Thank you. I don't think it's safe to go out there yet unless I go out the back door. Maybe not. Now let's go on ahead and let's take a walk across the creek to the sheriff's office. This is the sheriff's office. The tarps are here right now because I don't need hooligans getting under here, but I can get under here, so I was thinking of taking the tarps down and putting something else there to make the sheriff happy, because he don't like hooligans under his building. This right here is called the shed, and we'll be discussing that later. But we're not done with the sheriff's office yet. Of course, we have the porch. Don't know how I'm going to do the porch yet. I might do a covered porch. I don't know. And we walk in. And we got a fireplace. We got some armor. We got stuff that still needs to be built. And while we're here, do I have a shotgun with me or not? I don't think I do. I think I put that. Yeah, I put that. But we'll get a shotgun later. Got ammo, got the desk, got arrows. We're going to put some explosives right here. Let's go upstairs. Drinking water. And once again, we got a duck. This is the sheriff's living quarters. It is not done yet. And this up here is a storage area. But don't know what I'm going to store up here yet. But like I said, it's still a work in progress. Now let's go downstairs and let's go look into the jail. This is the jail. I have 2 cells in the jail, and they can be locked from the outside when perpetrators go in. Now we'll go out back. This is what the back looks like. And this is what we call the shed. And we don't talk about the shed much around here. It's frowned upon. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is the tour of the sheriff's office. And why the steps are here is because the ground is uneven right here. To put the steps right in the middle like I did on the saloon. And I'm thinking over here by this. Ma'am, I'm trying to talk and you're interrupting me. But I'm thinking about putting a post office right over here. And then up the road, maybe for the mercantile. a part of the Ghost Creek Village. Or I'm thinking about putting a mercantile right here. This might be a better place for a mercantile. But I think I want the post... Oh, I gotta get a weapon out. But I think the post office needs to be next to the sheriff's office.